Alright folks, we're going to try this this fudge and frosting recipe. I've already done a video where I show you how to make this, but I've been trying the different flavors, and today we're going to try the strawberry and peanut butter. Not sure how this is going to come out, but we'll let you know. Alright, so we'll put this in the fridge and let it set up. Again, not too sure about the strawberry peanut butter flavor. Thinking it may taste a little bit like peanut butter and jelly. Not sure. But I'll set it up and we'll let you know how it comes out. Alright, so this is thoroughly chilled. We're going to cut it up, taste it. Getting this first piece out is always a bear. So it does taste peanut buttery, and amazingly it tastes a lot like peanut butter and jelly. So if you like peanut butter and jelly, this is the fudge for you. It's I was expecting something horrible, and it's really not that bad. It's pretty good. So hopefully you can see here, this is normal fudge consistency. Now the only thing I will say about this fudge is like when my dad makes peanut butter fudge, it gets crusty, it gets crispy on the edges as it dries out. And this doesn't do that so much. It stays nice and soft, which if you like that, it's a good thing. If you like that crispy, crunchity edge, crust that some fudge gets, this does not do that. But otherwise, it comes out pretty good. Certainly quick, easy recipe, foolproof. If you need something quick and easy to take to a holiday party, this is certainly the recipe for you. And you can obviously customize it with any kind of flavor you want. I've got some lemon frosting. I've also got some coconut pecan German chocolate frosting I plan on making and trying those too, along with some other varieties. So at any rate, there you go. 110 ready to take to a Christmas party or whatever it is you're going to be attending.